See, if you can help someone now, today, like you've got the ability to help someone, right? Why make them wait until tomorrow? What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. See, I've never been able to understand that concept of life. Do you know what it is? That someone needs your help today, right? Literally, they come to you, or you walk past someone, or you're looking at someone's situation and you're like, you know what it is? Yeah, they need my help today. Chances are they'll need it tomorrow and the day after and the day after, yes. But today, as we speak, today, right now, they need your help, right? And you can't help them today. It's not like you helping them today affects something. I mean, like, if it's something that, you know, if I do it today, it's going to affect me in this way, it won't be good for them, then let's do it tomorrow. That's something else. But if you being able to help someone today doesn't affect you in any kind of way, why wait? Do you know, why make the other person wait? Because we don't know what tomorrow brings. We don't know if you're going to make it to tomorrow. We don't know if they're going to make it to tomorrow. That's up to God, right? So whilst you've got the chance to help, why not do it? Whilst you've got the chance to be like, you know what, don't do this way, let's do it that way. How about you're going about this the wrong way, do it the other way? You know what, I can help in this way. Do that. Have that conversation now, today. Why? Because we don't know what's happening tomorrow. You're waiting for the quote-unquote perfect moment. You're waiting for no reason because, I don't know, you're just lazy. You just can't be bothered to do it today. So like, oh, I'll deal with it tomorrow. Yeah, but that person is in a desperate situation. They need it today. So we don't know what your help, like how much your help could change their lives or their direction in life. Do you mean you don't help someone today, then overnight they make another decision? Maybe they give up. Maybe they said, you know what, forget this. You know, I'm just going to commit suicide. Okay, then they're gone. It's too late. Do you mean? But maybe if you spoke to them the day before, maybe you're that last hope, that last line of hope that says, you know what, okay, there's light at the end of the tunnel. You know, let me make it through the night and then see what XY person has to say tomorrow. Maybe they can't help. Maybe my situation can't change. You know what I mean? But you waited 2 hours too late. Now all of a sudden you wake up in the morning and they're gone, and they're like, oh, what happened? Committed suicide. You're like, oh my God, I always knew I could have helped. Of course you could have, but you didn't. Why? Because you waited too long, right? So that's my thing with it. Like, do you mean, I've never been able to understand it. If it affects you in some kind of way, I get it. Then you're waiting for the perfect moment where you can help without affecting yourself too. I get it, because there's no point helping someone while affecting yourself, because then all that's doing is when they're up, then they're gonna come have to drag you back up with them. Do you mean? So it doesn't make sense. But if you're telling me you can help X person and you can come from here today without you affecting anyone and without it affecting you, then don't wait. Do it today and let that be what it is. Do you mean? We don't know what tomorrow holds. That's God. So don't play God. Till next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts and come along for the ride.